Tarpaulins theft case. Calcutta High Court refuses to stay probe against BJP MLA and LOP in West Bengal Assembly, Suvendu Adhikari. The Calcutta High Court on Monday refused to stay police probe in connection with Tarpaulin theft, in which leader of the opposition in the West Bengal State Assembly, Subendu Adhikari, has been named as an accused in the related FIR. The bench of Justice Tiranthakar Ghosh was hearing the plea of Adhikari, who had sought quashing of an FIR registered by Kontai police, in which he and four others, including his brother Saumendu, have been accused of stealing tarpaulins from the civic body godowns on May 29. The counsel appearing for Adhikari submitted that he has been falsely implicated in the case because of the fact that he has joined the rival political party and has subsequently been appointed as the leader of the opposition in the state assembly. It may be noted that former Trinamool Congress minister and heavyweight leader Subhendu Adhikari had joined the BJP in December last year. The senior advocate also submitted that there have been other instances of political leaders being falsely implicated in a number of cases who are opposed to the ruling political party in power and running the state government. Coming to court's order, the court noted that the senior counsel prayed for an interim order in respect of interference with the continuance of the proceedings or to stay the hands of the police in respect of the petitioners who are before this court in connection with the criminal proceedings which have been challenged. Further, the court said that it was not inclined to pass any interim order at the instant stage without perusal of the case diary and the materials collected by the investigating agency. The interim order prayed for is refused at this stage. However, the court granted the petitioner the liberty to renew their prayer for an interim order on the next date fixed for hearing. The public prosecutor who was present in court was directed to produce the case diary on the next date, and the matter will appear for consideration on June 22, 2021 before the available bench, as reported by the Telegraph. Ratnwadeep Manna, a Kontai Civic Board member, had complained to Kontai police that on May 29 a few armed men barged inside the civic body godown, picked up tarpaulins kept for aid, dumped them in a vehicle and fled. According to the complainant, two other members of the board, Himanshu Manna and Pratap D.E., were with the men, and they told him that the tarpaulins were taken on orders of Suvendu and Saumendu. So the case is Suvendu Adhikari and another versus the state.